Summer is calling and your skin deserves to shine. Whether you're hitting the beach, lounging poolside, or just rocking that swimsuit with confidence, Brazilian waxing might just be your smoothest secret weapon. But is it worth it? And how do you make it as painless as possible? Let's find out. Let's find. Preparation is everything. Start by exfoliating gently the day before your appointment. This removes dead skin cells and helps prevent ingrown hairs. Keep your skin hydrated with a light, non-greasy moisturizer in the days leading up. But on wax day, skip the lotion. Clean, dry skin is best for maximum wax grip and minimal discomfort. Not all salons are created equal. Look for licensed professionals with experience in intimate waxing. Read reviews, ask for recommendations, and don't be shy about scheduling a quick consultation. A good technician will walk you through the process and make sure you're 100% comfortable. Here's the truth. Yes, it might sting a little, especially your first time, but a skilled professional will apply warm wax in small sections and remove it swiftly to minimize pain. Ask about numbing creams if you're nervous and breathe. The entire process usually takes less than 30 minutes. Aftercare is just as important. Avoid tight clothes, intense workouts and hot showers for 24 to 48 hours. Apply a gentle alcohol-free lotion or aloe vera gel to soothe the skin. After a few days, use a mild exfoliator to prevent those pesky ingrowns. And remember, hydration is your skin's best friend. Now that your skin is smooth, it's time to embrace it. Whether you're poolside or on a tropical getaway, a Brazilian wax can boost your confidence and help you feel summer ready. Let go of self-consciousness and step into your glow. You've earned it. Ready for a flawless summer? Hit that like button. Subscribe for more self-care and wellness tips and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay smooth, stay confident, and enjoy every sunshine moment.